What's up, guys? I'm Mommy,
And I'm Bella.
and together we are Mommy and We Travels. So currently we are still here in Japan, and it was pretty much a rainy day, so we decided to go to the movies. However, traffic was extremely bad, and because traffic was really bad, come on, we were like an hour late to our movies, like an hour. So we're over here in Shinjuku. Let's look around this way. We're over here in Shinjuku, and we purchased, oh, here's the restrooms. We purchased tickets to the 109 cinema, well, 109 premium cinema, and it was like 9,000 yen. I didn't really calculate it at the time that I purchased it, but when I calculated it, I was shocked. It's like $57. And so when we got here, you know, there was like they could cancel it, but I have to repurchase the tickets. And so, like, I'm just trying to understand, why are these tickets so expensive? But now I understand why the tickets are so expensive. They're really expensive because it comes with unlimited popcorn, unlimited soda, unlimited hot dogs and stuff like that. So are you excited, Bells?
I'm gonna get unlimited hot dogs and popcorn and soda.
All right. So stay tuned. We're gonna tell you all about it.
Hot dog and fries and peanut. Right there.
Okay.
And the fries and peanut chicken. Then I'm gonna get Pepsi, Cola.
What it says free on what's free.
Yeah.
So update. So the popcorn, the soda, and the chocolate little brownie bites, they are included. The hot dog and french fries and stuff were not included. And so here's the menu of stuff right there. This is what the place looks like. The lounge, the meeting lounge, while we're waiting for the movie. It's us. Yes, I think it's telling us the movie right there. All right, it is our turn to win. So cute how they call us. So this is definitely a bougie movie theater. Umbrella, popcorn. So we just got through seeing Bad Boys, and it is definitely a must-see. What do you think, Bells? What do you think about the movie?
I spit my soda out.
It was that funny?
Yeah.
It is definitely a must-see. But I like this movie theater. That was definitely the more premium, bougie type theater, and pretty cool. What'd you think about that movie theater?
Good.
What's your favorite part about it?
Movie.
The movie? All right, we are out and about Shinijuku. No, it's not Harajuku, it's Shinijuku. This is, I don't want to butcher it, Capuchico Tara. Lord have mercy. Child, I think that's what it was. Y'all, what he's saying? Huh? He's a who? Oh, okay. It is so busy here. It's a little sound like in Harajuku. Harajuku. Shinijuku. So we're not lost, you are. I told the camera that we're not lost, they are. So one of the locals helped us find Shinjuku Station East. There's so many different exits. And look, led us to an inside mall.
Who's lost?
I told them that we're not lost, they are.
How they lost her at home?
Yeah, we're going towards JR. So wherever the signs tell us to go, don't see JR. That's where we're going. What are we gonna eat?
I'm not hungry.
You're not hungry? So you're not gonna, the popcorn and stuff was dinner?
No.
Oh, I doctor.
All I'm gonna do is pack, finish my program, take a shower, wash my clothes, and watch That's So Raven.
Okay, let's look for JR.
You used to watch That's So Raven.
So you guys, I don't think I have enough to get through the station, so I'm gonna charge up. So when you come here, it's probably gonna be in Japanese. So you just gotta press English there, and then charge, add value. And so it's just gonna ask you to enter your card. Oh shoot. There you go. And then it tells me my balance. So let me tell you about my ghetto transportation day today. So today we decided that we were gonna go to the movies, and we were running really late on time, so I decided to use Uber. Well, that Uber was about $70 versus us leaving early and spending $2. So when I tell y'all need to learn how to ride the train, because Uber is gonna cost you. Okay? That was my ghetto transportation day. So you guys see where we are. We're not paying $70 again. Okay? So take it from me. Learn how to ride the trains while you're here in Japan.